BSM10 machine integrates the entire manufacturing process for double-cone Bonnell spring units. Its specialized automatic device designed for manufacturing Bonnell springs, widely used in mattresses, sofas, and furniture. Its primary function is to automatically form springs from a continuous spool of high-carbon steel wire. Production speed can reach up to 100 springs per minute, depending on the model and spring specifications. Easily adjustable for different spring specifications, length, diameter, coil number, to adapt to various mattress designs and market needs. 6 robotic arms work simultaneously and collaboratively across processes like wire feeding, coiling, knotting, and conveying. It increases the overall production speed and efficiency. Precision coiling and forming. The straightened wire is fed into a coiling head, where it is wound around an arbor to create the classic helical hourglass shape of a Bonnell spring. That twists the ends of the wire to form the characteristic closed loops or knots at the top and bottom of each spring. Every spring gets the same tight knot. The robotic arm is equipped with sensors and advanced control algorithms to ensure optimal positioning and timing, ensuring that each spring undergoes the correct heat treatment cycle. Automatic spring conveying system equipped with anti-jamming design and buffer structures to prevent spring deformation or damage during conveying. A high-quality payoff stand is equipped with a tension control mechanism or a brake system. It allows for continuous operation by supporting a substantial amount of raw material. Utilizing advanced CNC control and full servo motion systems, the machine achieves high-speed output with high precision. Features an intuitive control panel that intelligent real-time fault detection system for safe and continuous operation. Incorporates systems that check the quality of the springs during production. Automated lubrication, adopts electronic control to deliver oil at set intervals and quantities. The consistent lubrication further reduces maintenance frequency and downtime, improving overall production continuity. Adopts industrial-grade components from renowned brands, with strong running capabilities and a low failure rate to support long-term continuous production. Consistent quality, produces thousands of identical springs, ensuring uniform mattress support. Maintaining consistent coil dimensions for improved product quality.